So here we are, for a little off yesterday. Front wings looking rather less than good. Rubber marks there. These two bolts here, one there and one there, are the two bolts that hold it on. Theory is this one broke, the wing twisted around, came around, the rubber hit the tyre over here, which I've generously taken off, and there's cut marks in the tyre. Smashed the steering rod and the shaft and some other stuff down here. It's all looking rather second hand, to be honest. The rest of the car is looking alright. Right rear's good. Walk around left front, right front's looking alright. Somewhere along the line here, this isn't looking brilliant. In comparison with that one, which is not bad. A couple of wobbly bits. And I thank you for your attendance in this grand tour.